Hello, my name is Connor Bates, a member of the CEJJI Med team, and we have developed an externally adjustable distraction device that will revolutionize treatment for patients with craniosynostosis. Craniosynostosis is a condition that affects about 1 in 2,000 children and is caused by the premature fusion of bone plates in the skull. Patients with craniosynostosis tend to have an asymmetrical appearing head and are at a high risk for serious complications. Current treatments use force and displacement with the goal of enlarging the skull and suture spaces. Expanding the skull relieves brain pressure, corrects head shape, and creates room for proper development. However, current suboptimal treatment options for this condition give rise to serious issues such as skull erosion, skin irritation, discomfort, and impose high infection risks from exposed parts, leaving clinicians, patients, and families frustrated and dissatisfied. No parent wants their child to have to undergo numerous invasive, risky, and expensive surgical procedures, which is why CEJJI Med has developed the SkelaSpacer, a new, novel device that will change the treatment options for craniosynostosis with externally adjustable capabilities. The SkelaSpacer incorporates a scissor jack and locking screw mechanism with an internal and external magnet component that will be activated to distract the skeletal plates to their natural orientation, saving time and money on costly procedures. The patient will undergo a relatively simple implant procedure where a neurosurgeon will remove a 1 centimeter wide section of the fused suture and then position the device across the empty space. After the procedure, the patient will then be sent home where they will follow up for a weekly outpatient adjustment procedure where a clinician will use the external magnetic component secured in a housing unit to connect with the device through the head and turn a magnetic bevel gear to activate the scissor jack and gradually expand the bony plates as needed. The CELA features an extended trough plate design to fit securely under the bone and evenly distribute forces, thus reducing the risk of skull erosion and skin irritation. As soon as the desired distraction separation is achieved, the patient will return to the hospital to have the device removed. With a market of $7.4 million a year in the United States and a compound annual growth rate of 7%, we have plans to patent our idea and use the IP as a basis to expand into other fields with high patient volumes, such as scoliosis treatment, which has a market of over $12 billion. The SkelaSpacer will transform the treatment options for craniosynostosis, reducing the risk of skull erosion, skin irritation, and infections, and also the need for invasive follow-up procedures. Overall, our device will improve patient outcomes, surgical costs, and simplify the lives of both the patients and the clinicians.
This will be a revolutionary change in the industry, and I think this device will provide an excellent opportunity for management of craniosynostosis in the future.